How to recover your X or Twitter account banned for no reason. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you're going to do is when you open your application, it is going to go ahead and give you a little ban notice. You want to simply go ahead and read the message carefully and take notes of the detail. Then what you can do is simply go to help.x.com and search for suspension or account suspension. And then you want to choose my account was suspended or locked, and then simply go ahead and tap on next. Once you've done that, you'll be able to fill out the appeal form. All you need to do is enter your username, your email address, and then the description of your account. Something along the lines of, I believe my account was suspended by mistake because I have not violated any rules. I think it may be a false report or system error. I kindly request you to review my account. And you can also attach any screenshots if you want to and click on submit. And they're gonna simply go ahead and review your account. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.